Hello, and welcome to BlueCamroo. In this video, we'll go over the interface and some of the basics. When you first log into BlueCamroo, you'll land on the home page and see three distinct sections. What's new will display any activity and records that you're following. You automatically follow records such as leads or customers that you create. Today's activities will display everything due to happen today. These could be scheduled calls, tasks that are due, and of course, any calendar meetings. The task section will show your task, but will also let you accept or decline tasks assigned to you by someone else, or keep track of tasks that you've delegated to others. The home page can be further customized with your own views. Views are saved searches that dynamically display your data. They can be created using the default fields or any custom fields that you've added. You can create a view to show all the not contacted leads that have been added to your system, or all open support cases. You can even share these views with your teammates to make sure everyone is on the same page. Our goal with BlueCamroo has always been to provide all the tools a business needs in one place and equipping each of your team members with all the tools they need and not burdening them with tools they won't use. The main menu on the left-hand side of the top bar organizes the common records and functions each user role requires. For example, CRM lets you access your leads, customers, and suppliers with a quick link to all of your contacts. No matter your role, you may need access to CRM, and it's available to every user role. Permissions can easily be adjusted in the setup. On the top right bar of your screen, you'll see several icons. From left to right, Quick Search scans the names and emails of your records. You can enter a partial contact name or email address, and if it's in the system, you'll quickly see results. Advanced Search allows you to delve deeper and search using both default fields and any new custom fields you create. Quick Action lets you create activities and new records. Sales, projects, and support administrators will be able to create custom fields for each type and can edit these forms, hiding unneeded fields or making them required. Bookmarks allow you to store links to records that you access regularly, like on a browser. You can organize your list of bookmarks by creating new folders. To-dos are an alternative to tasks. They're small personal reminders that no other user can see but yourself. You can quickly mark them as completed, then clear your list in one go. Timers, like all time management, is a feature available only to sales, projects, and support users. You can create timers at any time and the system will keep track of the order they were created. If you're viewing any record, like a customer, or create a timer, then it'll be automatically related to that record to save you time. Tasks can have timers created specifically for them. Notifications and reminders will list all of the constantly updating changes to your workspace. Replies to your emails, task updates, comments on your updates, all will be listed here. Users with paid extension user roles will gain the ability to create their own custom notifications through workflow rules. Any reminders you create, say for calendar events or tasks, will be listed below your notifications. Everybody needs a little help sometimes. This is context sensitive, so the help page will display relevant information. Finally, your personal menu lets you quickly access any configuration or system functions. You can create support tickets from within here, review any walkthroughs in the system, or access various parts of the setup. Now let's take a look inside a lead record. While the information and some menu items will differ based on the type of lead record you're looking at, the layout will remain the same. The left details panel will show you the name of the record and will list what it's related to and provide access to common activities you can perform with this record. There are context-sensitive functions available here as well, and relevant info you can customize. This is collapsible if you don't need to see the information or need screen space. Below the main menu at the top, you'll see the subsections of this record. By default, you'll land on the update stream that will list most of the activities above, but you can access other subsections that provide a specialized view. Leads, for example, have a special snapshot view that shows activities in a calendar. On the right side, you'll also notice a collapsible menu. These will typically list other records related to this lead. Some of your extra data objects and app integrations will appear here as well. The middle section will display the data for your chosen subsection. The update stream will be covered in further detail in section-specific videos. This is the primary collaboration for the system and a living history of the record you're viewing. All activities such as tasks, calls, emails, and calendar events will appear here. You can add your own updates and tag other users who can comment on what you've posted. You can even create email notifications, wrapping everything you've written into an email that's sent to your chosen teammates. They can reply to the email directly, and it will be added as a comment to the main update. Remember, you can follow any record to have its update stream show up in a combined update stream on your homepage in the What's New section, which gathers all of these activities across all your followed records to provide you with all the updates in one place. Tasks in BlueCamroo are universal. Despite the focus we place on them on the homepage, they are optional. We think they're useful, and we encourage people to try using them instead of keeping action lists in their notes. Tasks don't have to be formal. They're not restricted to project management either. Calls are tasks in BlueCamroo. Scheduling a time to call your client can be done in your calendar, but it also works best as an actual scheduled call in the system. You can create tasks for yourself related to the records they need to be, so everything is kept in order. If you set a due date, you'll see the task marked in red when it's overdue, and there are automated reminders sent by the system so that these aren't left uncompleted. There are options for each task. Rescheduling means you're changing the due date. There's more on this in the project section. You can reassign a task to another user and, of course, mark it as complete. When someone assigns a task to you, you can find it under the homepage's Tasks Assigned to Me. The same will happen when you assign a task to another user. You can keep track of these tasks under Delegated Tasks. If you accept a task, you become the assignee, and it will show up on your current tasks. These show tasks with due dates up to a few days in the future. You can adjust this under Personal Preferences. Logging time and timers are available to every paid user role in BlueCamroo. You can manually log time to any record you have access to. It doesn't have to be done through a task. You also don't have to bill for time. Many of our users who use this functionality don't bill their clients for their logged hours, but do so anyway to see where their team members are spending most of their time. For those interested in billing for their hours, BlueCamroo supports multiple billing grades and multiple billing rules that dictate how much time is converted to how much of a specific product. Log time is converted to a product or service and can then be pushed into an invoice for quick billing. Timers are an alternative way of tracking your time. You can create timers at any point and they will naturally nest in the order they've been added. That concludes our interface video.